back to Mini Learning Adventure. Today we are going to learn about some yummy fruits and healthy vegetables. Let's say their names together. Are you ready? Let's go. Fruits. First we have an apple. This is an apple. Can you say it with me? Apple. Great job. Now we have a banana. This is a banana. Say it with me. Banana. Well done. Here comes a watermelon. This is a watermelon. Say it with me. Watermelon. That's amazing. Now we have some grapes. These are grapes. Can you say it with me? Grapes. You're doing great. Next we have an orange. This is an orange. Say it with me. Orange. Awesome. Now we see a mango. This is a mango. Say it with me. Mango. Wonderful. Let's look at a pineapple. This is a pineapple. Can you say it with me? Pineapple. Great. Now we have a strawberry. This is a strawberry. Say it with me. Strawberry. Yummy. Next we have vegetables. First we have a carrot. This is a carrot. Can you say it with me? Carrot. Good job. Now we have a tomato. This is a tomato. Say it with me. Tomato. Well done. Next is a potato. This is a potato. Say it with me. Potato. Excellent. Here comes broccoli. This is broccoli. Can you say it with me? Broccoli. Great. Now we have cabbage. This is cabbage. Say it with me. Cabbage. Fantastic. Let's look at a cucumber. This is a cucumber. Say it with me. Cucumber. Amazing. Next is corn. This is corn. Can you say it with me? Corn. You're awesome. And last, we have spinach. This is spinach. Say it with me. Spinach. Super! You did an amazing job today. Keep practicing the names of fruits and vegetables every day. See you next time on Mini Learning Adventure. Bye-bye. Hello, little learners. Today we're going to explore some amazing farm animals. Are you ready? Let's begin. This is a cow. Cow says moo, moo. C-O-W. Cows give us delicious milk. This is a hen. Hen says cluck, cluck. H-E-N. Hens lay yummy eggs. This is a goat. Goat says ma, ma. G-O-A-T. Goats give us milk too and love to nibble on grass. This is a sheep. Sheep says ba, ba. S-H-E-E-P. Sheep give us warm, soft wool. This is a horse. Horse says neigh, neigh. H-O-R-S-E. Horses run fast and help on the farm. This is a duck. Duck says quack, quack. D-U-C-K. Ducks love to swim and waddle around. This is a rabbit. Rabbits hop and are very soft. R-A-B-B-I-T. They love munching on carrots and lettuce. This is a donkey. Donkey says hee-haw, hee-haw. D-O-N-K-E-Y. Donkeys are strong and help carry loads on the farm. This is a turkey. Turkey says gobble, gobble. T-U-R-K-E-Y. Turkeys are known for their funny sounds. Great job, friends! You've learned about many farm animals today. Now, let's say them together. Cow, hen, goat, sheep, horse, duck, rabbit, donkey, turkey. See you next time for more fun and learning. Hi, kids! Today we are going to learn about colours. Are you ready? Let's go! Our first colour is red. Can you see? This is red. Red like an apple. Red like a fire truck. Red like a juicy strawberry. Do you like red? Our next colour is yellow. Can you see? This is yellow. Yellow like the sun. Yellow like a banana. Yellow like a bright sunflower. What else is yellow? Now we have blue. Can you see? This is blue. Blue like the ocean. Blue like the sky. Blue like a pretty bluebird. Do you like blue? Next we see green. Can you see? This is green. Green like the leaves. Green like grass. Green like a yummy cucumber. Can you find something green? Look at this color. It's orange. Can you see? This is orange. Orange like an orange. Orange like a pumpkin. Orange like a crunchy carrot. What's your favorite orange thing? Now let's see purple. Can you see? This is purple. Purple like grapes. Purple like a butterfly. Purple like a plum. Do you like purple? Look at this beautiful color. It's pink. Can you see? This is pink. Pink like cotton candy. Pink like a flamingo. Pink like a pretty flower. What's your favorite pink thing? Here's a new color. It's brown. Can you see? This is brown. Brown like a nut. Brown like a bear. Brown like yummy chocolate. Do you like brown? Now let's see black. Can you see? This is black. Black like the night sky. Black like a cat. Black like a tire. What else is black? And finally we have white. Can you see? This is white. White like a fluffy cloud. White like a bunny. White like snow. What's your favorite white thing? Now let's see grey. Can you see? This is grey. Grey like an elephant. Grey like rainy clouds. Grey like a big rock. Do you like grey? Wow! We learned so many colours today. Red, yellow, blue, green, orange, purple, pink, brown, black, white and grey. Colours make the world so beautiful. What's your favourite colour? See you next time for more fun learning.